Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can add certificates on your LinkedIn profile from your PC. So first, what you're going to do is open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your account in linkedin.com. So this is a home page, and this is an account that I made just for the sake of the video. So now what you're gonna do is go on and click on your profile right there and click on view profile. After it loads, you're gonna click on add profile section. So now you can add all these stuffs, but since we're looking for certificates, you're gonna click on recommended and then go on and click on add licenses and certifications. Right, so where did you go? Well, I mean, what is your name, the date, the organization name, credential ID, credential URLs, and all this stuff, right? So on the medias, you can add documents or presentations and all this stuff. So whenever you fill this form and you're ready to post or add it, just click on save. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.